my bed. Ain't gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Never wanna look Thursday. But your drip got me feeling where you at. Make you feel love. Then it gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Then it gotta be.
So I made a order from JC Concepts. I wanted to try a new monomer, so I got the 32-ounce JC Beauty Concepts monomer. It did come in a box with like a whole bunch of those little white styrofoam like peanut looking things, and then I got an acrylic powder in the color Cover Blush. So I'm just gonna swatch them and read you the claims that's on the bottle for the monomer. Okay, so this is what the label looks like. It says low odor, non-yellowing, flexible, superior adhesive, and color stabilizer. It is also MMA free and specially made for professional use, but I'm not a professional yet, and I ordered it and I'm about to use it. And it does come sealed, so that's good. So I got my swatch stick here labeled and ready. So I'm going to pour some into my dapping dish and then we will swatch the color. So the powder does also come with a nice seal. So right away, I do want to say that you do still smell the monomer, but it's nowhere near as strong as, for example, the Mia Secret monomer. So I'm just going to swatch this color really quickly. And right now it looks like a really nice peachy shade. So I'm going to let this dry, file it, buff it, and then top coat it, and then come back and show you guys what it looks like. So this is what the acrylic looks like after it's filed and buffed. I had to redo the label because some of it came off on my thumb. As you can see, it's red, but it is a really pretty peachy nude, and the monomer seems to be working okay. It dries pretty normal, not slow or not extra fast. I say it dries really like right in the middle, and it was pretty affordable for this size. I got a 32-ounce bottle again, and the acrylic powder is a 1.5 ounce, and it seems to be a decent size. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this little demo of JC Beauty Concepts acrylic cover blush and monomer. If you did, drop a thumbs up, comment down below what you guys thought, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you are, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Can
you play that again?
Give me some fire, baby.